Diogenes, the most shameless philosopher in history, lived like a beggar, but his wisdom still shakes the world today. Let's uncover 30 powerful lessons from his strange life. Lesson 1. True freedom begins when you stop being a slave to your desires. Lesson 2. Simplicity is the ultimate wealth. The less you need, the richer you are. Lesson 3. Comfort can be a prison. Hardship often sets you free. Lesson 4. Society's praise means nothing if you lose your soul. Lesson 5. Courage is living truthfully, even if the world laughs at you. But let me ask you this. Would you dare to live like Diogenes, giving up comfort for truth? Lesson 6. Happiness is not found in possessions, but in peace of mind. Lesson 7. Honesty may cost you friends, but dishonesty costs your soul. Lesson 8. The world respects power, but wisdom lasts longer than empires. Lesson 9. Be fearless in rejecting what is false, even if everyone accepts it. Lesson 10. Your reputation belongs to others. Your character belongs to you. If Diogenes walked into your city today, would he expose your hypocrisy too? Lesson 11. True strength is controlling yourself, not others. Lesson 12. Silence is often louder than empty words. Lesson 13. Don't chase status. Chasing truth is harder, but far more rewarding. Lesson 14. Live so simply that no thief can rob you. Lesson 15. Diogenes showed that truth often looks foolish to the world. Think about it. How much of your life is just pretending for others' approval? Lesson 16. Don't fear being different. Fear being fake. Lesson 17. People crave riches, but ignore wisdom, the one treasure no thief can touch. Lesson 18. A hungry stomach teaches more wisdom than a library of books. Lesson 19. Learn to laugh at yourself, then no one can insult you. Lesson 20. Stop searching for happiness outside. It has always lived inside. What about you? Are you chasing gold or finding peace within? Lesson 21. Your anger hurts you more than it hurts others. Lesson 22. Freedom is not having everything, it's needing nothing. Lesson 23. Truth doesn't need decoration, it stands by itself. Lesson 24. Stop waiting for the perfect moment, live now. Lesson 25. Your worth is measured by how little you need, not how much you have. If Diogenes had nothing, yet lived so free, what's really stopping you? Lesson 26. The best teacher is life itself, not empty theories. Lesson 27. Don't fear poverty, fear living without purpose. Lesson 28. Most people are not free, they are slaves to opinion. Live so that your life itself becomes a philosophy. Diogenes' greatest lesson. Be shamelessly yourself, and no one can control you. These 30 lessons are not just philosophy, they are a mirror. Will you dare to live with such freedom?